Here we have 3 car batteries arranged in series. So we go from the positive to the negative and the negative to the positive. And then, you know, it's our stinger, that's our ground there, and then our hot lead. We'll come over here. We got our sweet rod holder there with the vice grips, and then we'll just ground to something. Oh, and we're attempting to trial on a nut. Stand by. 51st, put your helmets on, guys.
Right, helmet.
Right.
Helmet.
I use the blink method, so don't worry about me.
It's only a matter of time before I end up on the last page of my life.
Stand by 1.
Negative.
I should have turned my head. I should have walked away.
Don't be a Sally.
The consequences of being alone in the world I can't explain. Nowhere to rest my skin.
There we go.
I am so cold. My
Oh yeah,
world is
you got it.
crashing down. Someone please take me home.
Burning up our handbrake.
Take my hand, and I am so cold. My life
That is sweet.
Get her done. Come on now.
and we
Not spot welding. There we go.
Okay, relax here. I'm not sure maybe get it over here so it doesn't. Yeah, curl
buses are burned out.
up. Way cool.
I should have turned my head. I should have walked away. The consequences of
Any stretch of the imagination, but
in a world I can't explain. Nowhere to rest my skin, and I am so cold. My world is crashing down. With what? Someone please take me home. Someone take my
center inside, I don't know.
So many good quotes here.
This computer possibly burned in though.
Round 2.
Ready?
and fingers at home to me, and I won't say until I believe that the weight of my heart
Feels like I'm getting a headache. What's that from?
that it seems.
Feels like on that Bugs Life movie where they're like, don't look at the light! I can't help it!
Oh. Yay! Burn all the way through the nut. You